How to get a headless avatar in Roblox. So this is going to be completely free and I'm going to show you exactly how we can get a headless character. So first just go and open up the Roblox website and make sure you're signed in to your Roblox account. Now in the top navigation, go and click on Marketplace and then use this search box to go and search for the word Cindy and then press search. Now, right in the top left hand side, you're going to see this character called Cindy. Just go and click on her like so. And as you can see, this is completely free. Click on buy and then select get now. Then click on not now. And we're just going to click back on the marketplace in the top navigation. Use the search box again. And this time go and search for black hair and press search. Click on the drop down arrow next to any price. And you're going to enter 0 into the maximum amount and press apply. Now you're going to see all of these different free black hairs that you can add to your character. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm just going to click on this braided hair here. As long as the hair is black, then this is going to work. So once again, you can see this is free. Click on buy and click on get now. Now press not now once again, and then just head back over to the Roblox homepage. Click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side and select avatar. Hover over characters and click on purchased. Now click on Cindy, hover over head and body and select skin tone. Now scroll down and click on this advanced button and then go and check the box next to head. Now we're just going to change this color here to black. Make sure it's the darkest color of black possible, this one here, and then go and press done. Now go and hover over head and body and this time select heads. Now uncheck the box next to Cindy head. And this will remove the face that's currently on our avatar. Now hover over head and body and click on hair. Now go and deselect any hairs that you currently have equipped and go and check the box next to the black hair that we just purchased. Now hover over head and body and click on classic faces and make sure all of these are unchecked so there's no face showing on your avatar. You can also hover over accessories and click on face and make sure you don't have anything selected here. Now as you can see, we have a completely faceless character. Now you can also change the body and the legs as well. So if I click on clothing and then select something like t-shirts, you can go and select your own custom t-shirts as well as bottoms as well. Now, if you currently don't have any of these available, you can always come back over to the marketplace and you can go and search for something like black t-shirt. Once again, we're going to click on the price and we're going to change the maximum to 0 and then press apply. So I'm just going to choose this black jacket here. It doesn't matter what you choose. And once you've added this to your basket, you can then go and add this to your Roblox character. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.